Never again will you go to that palace and do anything free of charge. See that boy who called himself the prince? He does not know what he has done to himself.
Papa, you don't know me. I'm very angry. Papa, as I am now, you see that princess? She thinks that she's smart. Eh? She thinks that she has sense. I'm going to show her. No, she wants to show me that she has boyfriends. Let her boyfriends come and walk that car.
Good.
From today, if I'm collecting 1,000 from other people, I'm going to collect 100,000.
Oh, my son. Good, my boy. Very good.
Wait, Nna. Did she break your heart? Eh?
No, it's not a laughing matter. We are serious. Not a laughing matter.
Savankwe, but I warned you, I want you to stop doing things for free, You told me that you love her, that's why you are doing everything for free. You don't want to collect money. Now look at yourself. Shame on you.
Shame on you too. Papa, you know the kind of heart I have for princess.
I know.
Loving her straight.
I know.
Princess.
But my son, it's okay. It's okay, please, very okay. Would you get me my food so I will prepare and leave?
Wait, Nna, didn't you hear about the fasting and prayer?
Fasting and prayer? In my own house? I will not do any fasting and prayer for anyone. Yes, I say so. I repeat it again. I will not do fasting and prayer for anyone. So that boy that calls himself the prince, let him alone do the fasting and prayer.
With the princess.
Of course.
Osa will enter them. Let them do it. I'm not doing it because go and get us food.
I was there. The prince warned that nobody should eat or drink anything. I was there, and you two were there.
I will eat it.
Would you get me my food?
Princess will do the fasting.
Onabwala. The prince Onabwala.
I know what I'm saying.
Get me my food. Let me can live here.
I'm sure you are here. I know what I'm saying.
Nonsense.
Get my food. That's what I'm saying.
Nonsense princess.
I thought you love her.
Shame on you.
Don't mind them. Office.
Lover boy.
Papa.
But that's how you behave before I married you now. If I forgot it, that's how you behave. Can't get us our food.
Royal disappointment. This is royal disappointment.
So.
Good. Now that we are all complete, I wish to state that it is not the royal intention to discharge you in this manner. But we can't help it. It's the situation we have found ourselves. I remember telling you that your salaries have been approximated to 8,000 naira each. But as it stands now with the situation of the economy of the country, we cannot meet up to that huge amount for each of you. Therefore, we have decided to make it a round figure of 5,000 naira per head monthly. If you are okay to work at that rate, fine, you can stay. If not, indicate here and now. Are we okay with it?
No, sir, I'm not okay.
Okay, good. And you?
I'll stay, my prince. I'll walk.
You?
I'll walk with it, sir.
You?
I'll stay.
You?
I'll stay.
You?
I'll stay. I'm not going anywhere, my prince.
I'll stay, my prince. I'm okay, sir.
Now that we have a consensus, it will be fair to tell you some of the rules and regulations that you will abide to henceforth as regards the amount of food you feed on and the quantity of water you are allowed per day each. But meanwhile, before they come, step forward.
What is going on here?
You may go, I've given you your salary. And mind you, that is half your salary because the month is not ended.
She's going.
Yes, Mom, let her go.
Why are you doing this?
Mother, let her go. These ones will serve. They are still here doing the work. If I'm looking at this palace, Osike, I need to tell you I can maybe the all.
You know,
Monage, in a singing nasa fella. What does it take?
Fiage. Monagama media.
Go back to your duty post. I am doing this in the interest of this family. I go walking.
Obriginalondo. Eh? Obriginalo. Feza! Feza!
Mama! Mama, mo! Mama! Mama! Mama, ego! Oh, never. Mama! Ego! Ego, Beckham! Hey! Mama, how are you? Look at how you're shining. Ego, Beckham! Mama!
How? You're not looking bad.
Thank you! Thank you.
How are you?
I am fine.
How is city and work?
The city is fine, but work will not allow me to rest. Mama, I work from morning till night. It's not easy to make money.
It's good. Oh, kwano ka odokwa nma ka ina acho. Eh? Anu kwano na anuta na ego. E were lezie nu manya. Nne mama ego.
Not to worry, Mama. I bought you so many good things.
Eziage.
So many goodies.
Eziage.
From the city where I came from, it is called goodies.
Ah,
Mama, let's go to the back.
Let's go to the back. I'm cooking. Oh.
Papa, what are the elders going to do about this?
I don't know. It is obvious that the Igwe and Lolo can't tell the boy what to do.
Papa, why not come inside and eat this food? Eh? If anybody is passing through this place now and see you eating, they will say my father, do you know who is not observing the fast? Eh?
I am not doing.
Eh?
I am not doing. When have we started doing fasting and prayer in this kingdom because Igwe is sick? Is it because a London prince came back? I won't do.
But I... Oh.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Any trouble?
No, not at all. Just that the queen said that the king wants to see you in the palace.
Okay, I will soon be with you.
Okay.
Hey. Of course. Did you see anything?
No, I didn't see you.
Is the fasting still on?
Yes, the fasting is still on. But I was even surprised that you are eating.
The thing is that my father has ulcer. Yes, the king even knows.
Yes.
Oh, sir. Okay, no problem. I'll maintain as if I didn't see.
Don't say anything. No. You did not say anything.
I'll maintain as if I didn't say anything.
Thank you. Papa, it looks like you were scared.
Scared of who? Of that boy? No, now. I don't want this stupid boy to go and tell them anything.
Papa, forget that thing. Papa, you were scared. I saw it. Why were you covering the food if you were not scared?
I can't believe this. I cannot believe this, Mama. Mama, what are you saying?
I'm sorry, my daughter. I didn't want to tell you because you are all I have.
Mama, how can you say this? I mean, how could you do this? Why would you lie to me? You knew I had a father and you hid it from me all this while. Why? I mean, you should have told me. Let me understand my life. Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't want them to take you away from me. You are all I have.
Oh, Mama, please stop it. You're being unnecessarily selfish. What do you mean that take you? Okay, so why are you telling me now?
I heard your father is at the verge of dying. So that's why I asked you to come home, so that I will take you to him for him to know he has a daughter like you.
Then let him die. Mama, if that is the case, let him die. I don't care. Mama, don't tell me this was the reason you asked me to come back home. Because I do not want to discuss this issue again. I don't want to. I just came back. I am tired and famished. I need to have my bath and go and see a friend. I do not want to discuss this issue again. Biko, Mama, I'm begging you in the name of God.
No, Biko. I'm sorry, Ego. I'm sorry for hiding it from you. Please.
That guy is something else. Can you imagine that everybody should fast and pray?
Ha! You dey mind her? Me wey don chop since. I ate akara this morning.
Really? Hey, babe, so I've been missing. Let me go and eat. Then we should fast till 3 p.m. You want to kiss somebody now?
Do that one. Who wants to do that one? Look at him. His father is sick. Instead of him to take him to the hospital for proper treatment, he's here saying fasting and prayer will heal him. Let him remain there.
I wonder. Okay. Do you know I used to like this guy? I used to wish one day he will say, oh God, now I like you. I want to marry you. But with what he has done to, God forbid. God forbid. Is that how London people behave?
Oh God, now. If he continues like this, nobody will marry him. Even me, I won't even marry him.
Go and marry him now. Guess what?
Latest gist. Hey, gist me. I heard that.
The prince said he wants to sell all the cars in the palace. That he wants to go and buy a motorcycle. That cars are too expensive to maintain.
What kind of a human being is that? Where is he from? Prince of Newi or what?
Prince of Ila.
My mother chased him away. But not to worry, I'll devise another plan.
It's very bad. He called me and told me this thing. I said, let me come. I know what is happening.
I know he got disappointed, okay? Even though he wasn't pricing it right anyways. But we'll do something about it, okay? You know how to drive, right?
Of course.
Oh, good then. What will happen is you and I will drive each of those cars to your workshop, one after the other. And then when we get there, you place that plastic on top of it and inscribe for sale. Okay. Whoever comes to buy, you take your percentage.
Woo! Who do we have here? My good friend.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm okay. I decided to surprise you by coming to your house without letting you know.
I can see, and you succeeded.
Yes. Your house is beautiful.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Sam, you will wait here, okay? I'll have one of the guards get you the keys, okay? Let me go see my visitor.
I'm so bad.
All right.
How are you?
Your place is very beautiful.
Thank you very much. So, how is your mother?
She's very fine. But honestly, my prince, you're very funny.
How?
How can you be this wealthy and you were busy pricing ordinary food in the hotel?
That
will be good for your health.
Don't worry, that's me. I'm very prudent, you know. I don't like spending money unnecessarily. Not really like I couldn't give them that money, but I just wanted them to know that money's hard to come by, you know. But it doesn't mean... oh, they've taken the light. Yes?
They've taken the light.
Did I tell you I was blind?
Sorry, my prince. Please, can I put the generator on?
Is there fuel in that generator?
Yes, can I on it?
You want to put it on at this time of the day? So at night you run the gen with your urine, right? You see how dumb you are? Will you go and tell one of the maids that I have a visitor, she should get some refreshment? Silly.
Sam, you didn't notify me about the buy again. What is going on?
I don't know. I didn't remember.
Samankwe, since when did you start forgetting what we discussed? Okay, fine. Now that you're here, what are your plans?
The person that wanted to buy the car called me that the queen embarrassed him. So I said, let me come and see the prince. Come on, here again. I was with the prince when his friend came. So I'm still waiting for him to know what his plans. I don't know.
Why do I feel that you're lying? Yes, you are lying to me. Samankwe, I have asked you before, and I'm going to ask you again. What did I do wrong to you? Have I ever offended you? If I have, then you talk to me.
I didn't say so. See, the thing is that all these things I don't understand again. why not call your boyfriend, that your boyfriend that you love, so that he'll come and handle all this thing? Because as for me, my hands are tied though. I don't know what to do again.
I'm getting it now. It's about my boyfriend, right?
Do I know?
Samankwe, you know how much I love...
You said you love me?
You know how much I love my car and I do not want to lose it.
Your car? Princess.
Samankwe, please, you have to help me on this one. You know how much I love my car. Do you want me to bikes? A princess cannot climb bikes now.
My princess, I have work to do. I don't know what else to do. I'm tired. You love your car?
Yes, I do.
Car. Just car.
Yes, Samankwe, I do love my car. Please.
Ego, so how is your business in Lagos? Are you done with it?
Yes, I'm done. That's why I came down to see my mother.
Oh, that's good. You're really hardworking, you know. And I like hardworking individuals.
Yes.
That way, when you work hard to earn, you don't spend extravagantly. So Hey, come. Did I ask you to get wine?
I was told you have a visitor, my prince.
Did she tell you she wanted to drink wine?
I'm sorry, my prince.
Take that back into the fridge. Leave the water and the groundnut. Ego BK! Cola nut is here, eh? This water is cold and chilled. Water is life.
I'm sorry, I do not eat granuts. It's not good for my health. I mean, I don't want pimples on my face.
But this granite, it's not oily. You know these ones they do in the village here, they don't add so much oil, so it wouldn't give you pimple.
Why did you allow her to go with the wine? I wanted the wine.
No, that wine, you didn't touch it. Very hot. It's not cold, you know.
I never complained.
I know, but if I had known you would. Are you hot?
Am I hot?
You won't had fun?
Oh.
But Ego, you would like this granite, I tell you. Let me be sure of what I'm saying. Open your hand. Ego, open your hand, you'll love it. I'm serious. So Dad, how is my king doing tonight?
I'm okay. I'm okay. Son.
Dad?
Your mother said you collected all the cars in the palace and sold them.
Yes, that is right. I disposed of all the cars in the palace so we can earn a little revenue and add to the palace purse. Not that I wanted to sell the cars out of being very stubborn or something. No, I didn't sell them because I felt like selling them. I sold them so we can I did that so we can safeguard this palace. You know, if we are not prudent with the way we spend money, in no time we'll go bankrupt. So what I did was to sell them and leave just one so you can use to attend your functions, and if there's any place Mom wants to go, she can go. Plus there was this cheaper motorcycle I saw somewhere. It's clean. It may have been used, you know, but it's strong and not really that strong, but it is cheaper, very much cheaper, and you know, the fuel consumption of motorcycle and a motor vehicle is not the same thing. It's lesser.
Motorcycle.
But it's strong. Much as it's used, Father, it's still strong.
There is something that is very urgent.
Okay.
Yes, in our Benin office, I think the place is about to blow up. Whoa.
There is a problem between Linus and Frosa. I don't know what they are struggling for. So you need to get to our Bini office, maybe sort it out, and there is also an issue in our Port Harcourt office.
So I should go there also?
Yes, I can't do that.
It's alright, Father, I will. Is it not the office at Iboba Hills?
Yes.
I know there, don't worry. All you need to do is just provide me with their phone numbers.
Yes. Yes, I'll give you the phone number of Linus.
Okay, Father.
When you're done with the Bini office, you rush over to Port Harcourt.
Okay then, good. All I need to do is just make arrangements for my travel, pack my bags and maybe book my flight. No, I'm not going by air. There won't be any need for that. I will go by road. That will be cheaper for me and more accommodating.
I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. You will not understand how everything happened. But I want to say everything in the presence of your father. Please, let's go.
Mama, please, Biko, please, just let me be. I'm not going anywhere. Mama, you have hurt me. You have hurt me so much. You knew the truth, and you hid it from me all this while. Yet you call yourself my mother. What kind of a mother are you? Have I not been suffering? I have been suffering ever since, and I'm still suffering up until today. So what's the difference? Why do you want to take me there?
Ego.
Mama, please, I am not going anywhere. Just let me be. Rapmaka.
Ego, you are a woman. You need to see your father. You need to know him. Let him know that you live. Your father wasn't aware that I had a child like you. Please, follow me to Umeze. I'm sure he will be very, very happy if he sets his eyes on you. Please. And you will never be disappointed when you get there. Biko, Mama.
Honestly, I'm baffled, Mama. I'm baffled. I can't still believe this. But it's fine. But meanwhile, why don't you want to tell me this man you speak of? Why? Why don't you want to tell me who my father is? Who is he? What is his name? Who is he?
His name is John. His name is John from Umeze. That's the name of your father. Please go and dress up. Let me get ready. Let us go to Umeze. Biko.
Mama, if not that you're my mother. Maybe I'll change. Thank you.
Ndichi adasigaro fane buziono abiani fobona ridusu weponata aniye liquifeno madoya.
Lisa?
Mom?
You have to use this car since you have put up the orders for sale. There's only one left, so you...
Mom, I am not so keen about driving myself there. I mean, fueling this car all the way to Benin, then to Port Harcourt, I think will be more expensive than taking a public transport. I don't know why you people like wasting money around here.
Feza, this is not a waste of money. This is for your safety and comfort. Oh, in fact, all I will say is go well.
Never.
Leave me alone. What is it? I don't know why later me you came back as a prince. You should have come as a pauper. Stingy the other way, stingy here now. Mr. Stingy.
Give me the keys.
Take.
Okay, put the bag in the car.
Hell, Mom, sorry.
The fasting continues. I won't stay beyond 5 or 6 days. Don't break this fast. Everybody in this palace should adhere to it, right?
We will.
Good mother.
Safe trip.
When you break the fast in the evening, be very, very moderate with the food, with the quantity of food you give to anybody, okay? Yeah, we're talking about fitness and eating healthy. It's very necessary.
Feza!
Yes, ma'am.
Feza!
What is it? Well then, Mom, it's obvious the car doesn't want me to go with it.
I thought someone could touched it.
It's obvious he did not touch it well. The car isn't responding, so let me go get some fresh air at the bus park.
You want to go with public transport?
Yes, Mom. You can keep your key. Thank you.
Give me and go ahead. Enjoy!
Thank you, Mom.
Feza!
Yes, Mom.
Stingy!
I will. Thank you, Mom.
Bye-bye.
Where's my bag? Get it out. Mom, remember the fact.
I will.
Don't break it.
Go well. I will.
Abiani for bona. Ridusu. Weponata. Aniye likwi feno. Mado ya taja. Kedi febe fa.
A princess jumping on bikes. I mean, isn't that a slap to your throne?
My dear, that's why I called you. Your mom told me that you've been crying.
I didn't know it was going to be like this. I mean, you should have just stayed back in London.
No, don't say that. Listen, I'm going to settle this. You just have to pray that I recover from this sickness. You're forgetting that I am still the king around here. I left him because I didn't want to engage in a shouting match with him. Shouting is not good for my health now. Well, he didn't sell my own car, did he?
Oh, Daddy, how is that even going to be possible? Using one car. Besides, Mom has asked him to use this same car to travel to Benin and Port Harcourt.
He will come back soon. In the meantime, you people manage that the situation as it is, eh? Okay. I will buy you a car. Yes. In fact, I'm going to buy you a special one, a RAV4 Jeep.
Daddy, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
Oh no, we can be very funny.
I am happy.
Good.
That is why I had to summon you people to my house. To tell you what happened at the palace.
Okay.
Yes.
What could be keeping others behind?
I don't know.
But I am very sure they will be here.
Okay.
So, oh no, you mean that the Igwe was not in support of his son?
Igwe told me one-on-one that we should be pretending as if we are happy, then collect the 3,000 naira. When he fully recovers, he will pay us the balance.
That's good. Can you see why I keep saying that our king remains the best king?
Oh yes, Igwe John is the best king in the entire community. Yes. And who does not know that he's the most important king in this community? And he have every reason to be nice to us.
Oh yes.
Let me shock you. Could you believe it? That the son, Prince Feza, stopped his father from taking injection.
What? He said that the injection is costly. What? Hey! Does he want to kill the king? Does he want him to die?
I don't know.
Hey! Can you imagine? But wait, is this how he is going to rule us? Oh no!
Ichi Atane. Ichi Oba. We do not need any soothsayer to tell us that there is reincarnation. I see that boy, Feza, behaving like his grandfather, late Igwe Omihuku. You know he was so stingy. The same thing goes with Feza. Can't you see?
So here we are talking of history repeating itself.
All the Kwegu, Chatan. No, all the Kwegu. Hey!
Mama, my daughter. Here we are.
Mama, how do you mean here we are? This cannot be my father's house. This is the Igwe's palace.
Ego, this is the Igwe's palace, your father's house. Igwe is your father.
How do you mean? Mama, wait oh. Wait a minute. So, you knew my father all this while? You knew that Igwe was my father and you never told me? You hid it from me? You allowed me to be suffering, Mama? Eh?
Bring down your voice.
Mama, you're not a good person. Hey. You mean to tell me that the king of this land is my father and you hid it from me, Mama?
Well, I don't know.
What kind of a mother are you? Oh, you bitch!
Auntie, you came in.
Yes, you did. Please, I plead for an audience with the king. Be common.
Okay, you can come in.
Any problem?
No, not at all. Good afternoon.
Okay, ma. Let me inform the queen.
So I'm still very shocked at you. I'm sorry. So John is so rich and mighty. I'm disappointed in you. Joanna! Mama, you are really shocked.
Make food for the Igwe. Remember, fasting continues until 3 p.m. That the prince is not around is not a guarantee that you all should eat. It continues till 3 p.m. It is only the Igwe that should eat. Good. Once it's 2 p.m., start making food for everybody. You don't worry. You all will eat well today.
My queen, there's a woman here with her daughter to see the king.
Okay, let me see them.
Sorry for what? You allowed me to be suffering all these years. Why you knew my father was a rich man? You don't know to go, no. Ozube! Hi, Ozube! No, so... You? Quickly, my queen. You? Queen,
I thought you were here yesterday.
Yes, my queen. I was here yesterday.
I hope there's no problem.
No, not at all. Please, queen, my queen. I would love to have an audience with the king. Tell him that Moise is here.
Oh, he's not very strong. But what you really want to see him for, is it that serious? If not, I would say, can I know what it is?
Yes, it's very serious, my queen. He needs to hear me out. He needs to know that I'm here. Just when you get there, if he can hear us, tell him that Moise is here. If he can hear us out. But if he cannot hear us out, then I will go. When he is well, I will come back.
I see. Let me inform him.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you. Thank you.
Leave me alone. Just leave me alone. Just no wrong way, you don't talk to me. You have done everything in this life. You have just done everything wrong to me.
Forgive me, John. I heard you are sick. I decided I have to come to see you. Lolo, please, I pray this will not make you sad.
You know, I was actually shocked when your name was mentioned.
Here is my daughter, Ego. I brought her to see you. But I don't know how to say this.
Woman, talk. She came here yesterday. Has my son put you in the family already? Are you pregnant?
No, I'm not.
So what is it?
You know the prince?
Yes, I know him. I met him in Lagos and we became friends. Even though I never knew he was the prince of my land.
Friends? What kind of friends?
I don't understand you. Ordinary friends, of course. Nothing attached.
What is happening here?
Igwe, Ego is your daughter.
What? Did I hear you well? John, what is going on?
Wiz. How?
I know you will be shocked, Igwe, but let me tell you what happened.
How do you mean? What do you mean that you're pregnant for me?
Did I tell you not to do that then? That I'll be pregnant. You didn't listen to me. You said you love me. You have to love me, oh.
Wizu, you have killed me. You have killed me. How can you be pregnant for me? Why you know that I'm married already?
But I love you. And you said you love me too. Am I not the one you're supposed to marry? Huh?
See, you are. But you know my father married for me. And I have a son already. You know how my father the king behaves. There is no how he will allow me marry a second wife.
It's not fair. It's not fair. I happen to be your first girl. You left me to marry that girl. And now I'm pregnant. You have to do something.
See, Wizu, I know. But we have to look for an alternative. Let's look for a solution. Please. You know, my father is ill right now. And I am the next person to the throne. And I cannot afford to lose the throne. Yes, I can't afford to lose any chances because of this pregnancy. Please.
Okay, I'm sorry. So, what do we do now?
You know what? I think we need to look for a solution. Yes. I know what to do. Let's go to Wanya Weber. Do you know Wanya Weber?
Oyanna, here it is. Make sure she drinks it first thing in the morning and last thing in the night. It will flush it.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma. Wizu, you have heard what she said. Please make sure you take it judiciously, as she just said it now. Please, I would like to hear any story.
Make sure she eats very well. Make sure she eats very well. I'm not eating. Let me go home and eat.
I know, just the cover. I mean, the cover. By the time you get home, then you eat. After eating, you take more. You take full cup. But just start with the cover. Yes, because Why I'm telling you this, I don't want to lose my father's throne. Yes. Biko.
So, John, this is how you want me to go, right? Even all the love I have for you, now I'm unwanted. Your father's throne is more important than my child. But it's okay. I won't bother you again.
Please, try and understand. Not that my father's throne is important to me than our child. It's our child, but please try and understand. I need to possess my possessions first. You know, let me get the throne. After that, you can still born. I can still impregnate you again and again and again. Please. Please take.
This drug has made like a dead body. Can I drink this?
Who is it? What are you holding?
Brother, it's a drug.
Let me see.
I'm having fever.
Let me see it.
It's a drug. I bought it. I'm having fever, brother.
Who is it? How do you get this?
Brother, I bought the drugs now. I'm having fever.
What did this?
Did what, brother?
Muizu, I know that your illegal movement to Umueze will bring this to you. Now talk to me. Who impregnated you? Will you talk? It's who?
It's Prince John, brother.
I knew it. I knew it. And now you want to abort it? Eh?
No, brother. I'm sorry. He said he's married and he cannot marry his own wife.
I see.
I'm sorry, brother.
I see.
I'm sorry, brother.
Yes. He can't marry a second wife. But I've been carrying you inside his car, moving up and down. Now he can't marry his second wife. Uizu, let me tell you, you will not abort this. You will not. I will do my best to take care of it. And let me tell you, on no account, you will take this child to him. Either I'm alive or dead. And if our parents come back, I'll let them know about this. I'll throw this away.
Brother.
You did this to me and you hid it for these years. Mother, please come.
Wait. You should have come to me. You should have come to me all these years. Ibe. Since I became king, you should have come to me. I ought to have treated this issue long before now.
Yes, my mother warned me and my father was so angry. I couldn't have come. It wasn't long ago they passed away. So when I heard you are sick, I decided that I should come and see you, then sent for my daughter to come. Ego. Igwe is your father.
Don't let this bother you. You know your condition. This isn't worse than death.
Now I know the cause of my sickness. Blood. 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 You take blood, you pay for it. See you, pretty, beautiful woman. See what would have been wasted. What would have been killed. Princess.
Yes, Father.
Send the guards to know I need him here.
Bini, Oga. How much is it?
Bini is 800 naira. Take ticket.
No, I am not going inside. I'll stop at Iboba Hill.
It's same price.
I cannot pay 800 naira to go to Iboba Hill.
Oga, Bini is 800 naira. Iboba Hill is 800 naira. If you reach to Benin, you use 100 naira, come back to Iboba Hill.
Then let me pay 700 naira and stop at Iboba Hill. How can I get to town and then pay 100 naira and come back again?
Oga, we don't do it like that. We know they do it like that. If you want to enter motor.
Why are you all so greedy and selfish around here? This is extortion.
Okay, I know they for this or too much drama. I know they for this or too much drama. If you want to enter motor.
I cannot pay 100 naira to go to Benin. It's extortion.
Not once did he ever mention this to me. This is not fair. This is not fair at all. This is not fair.
Mother, it's okay. Mother, it's okay. It's okay. Daddy can't tell you a thing like this. You heard the woman. She said she wanted to get rid of the pregnancy. I'm even happy she didn't succeed.
Meaning?
Meaning that it's wrong. Mother, Dad is royalty. And you do not even know what this would have cost him. It's obvious the girl and the mother are the people he saw in his dream.
How? Daddy said that you?
Daddy said it. He said he's seeing the cause of his problem. Mother, are you not seeing this? Mother, it's obvious that this girl and her mother are the people Dad saw in his dream.
I see. But I still don't like this at all. It's not good. This is not fair at all. It's not fair to me.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Try and put yourself together, please.
Let me start by apologizing to my wife. Olako, I never really did mean to hurt you. I'm sorry. Having said that, I wish to thank God Almighty that we have succeeded in putting all this behind us. We can now move forward.
My queen, please, I didn't come to hurt you. If you were in my shoes, you would have done the same. My parents are no more, and ego is all I have. I did this for the love for her to know her family. Aboj is not far. She can always come to see me. But if people said no, no problem. I will go with her.
Don't ever say it again. Your Majesty, there is no other remedy you need to get well than the coming back of your lost daughter.
I suggest you should come back immediately to her home. She is royal blood.
Daddy, she's pretty.
Thank you.
And you too, thank you. I've missed you. What can I say? You are from here. You are part of here. So you're free to come back anytime. You're welcome home.
Thank you so much, Your Highness. Thank you so much, my queen. I sincerely appreciate everything. Your acceptance and everything. I appreciate. But I won't come back. I prefer to stay with my mother. I can't leave her all by herself. Please.
Ego, here is your home now. Please, I don't want you to go.
But I can't leave my mother. I mean, she's all I've got. And if I leave her, she'll be alone. So she needs someone to take care of her. And I'm the only one that will do that.
Ego.
Sir, Your Highness.
We have already said we are sorry. Oh no, didn't we say so?
We have done that, sir.
By accepting you back to this family, it means we are bequeathing you with your full title. You are a princess of this kingdom. Your mother shall be taken care of by this palace. This kingdom shall take care of your mother, provide for all her needs. The car will take both of you back to the house. Then you will pick your belongings and get back to the car, and the car will drive back to this palace where you belong.
Thank you.
I have spoken.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you. Thank you, my queen. Thank you. My queen, thank you.
Princess, please find out if the driver and the car are ready.
Yes, madam.
You see why I love you. You know your job so well, and you do it well. Thank you, darling. Anyway, how much is it? Or would you want the usual?
Usual again, my money is 25,000.
Samankwe, 25,000. What did you do to this car? Eh? What did you do that you're asking for 25,000?
Is that how to appreciate me for the ones I've been doing free of charge in this palace? This car that's Subuas. I just came now and on Aswas. Start it. You will see it on Aswas. Please, my money is 25,000. Go and tell all to give me my money. Let me leave.
Sam, you've changed drastically towards me. Ngwagwam, tell me, what did I do wrong?
You're my friend, and if I did anything wrong, I will apologize.
Yes, no need. Now, since you have no need. Just let me have my money. Can now just wait.
Sam, you've grown cold towards me, and you know that.
Just get my money. Let me.
Sam, do you realize you're talking to the princess?
Sorry, my princess. Tell my queen to get my money. Let me leave my way. No problem.
Fine. It's okay. It's fine. I'll get you your 25,000. But I bet you will regret this action.
Huh? Are you threatening me? This is a royal threat, you know. The royal threat. No more, get my money, let me. After then I thought this why. Been repairing this car. No, nothing. I've been doing all this work I've been doing. At the end of the day, you'll be telling me, no problem. You and him go. Let me go my way.
Olako, please forgive me.
It's okay, Ibe. Go ahead and give her. Now that your son is not around. Because I don't know if he will approve of it.
The boy in question is my son. The money we're talking about also is mine. And the woman out there is the mother to my daughter. And I need to settle her very well. Except maybe, Olako, you don't also approve of it.
No, Your Highness, I do.
Good.
It's better she lives well where she is and will live well here as well. Just that my problem in this matter is you writing a check for her. Why don't you go ahead and give her cash? Because I don't know if she's exposed enough to handle checks.
I will write the check in her daughter's name. She will cash it for her. After all, 3 million naira is not too much.
Let's come in.
He's done. He said his money is 25,000 naira.
Is it not too much? Princess, he's your friend. Talk to him to cut down. That money is too much.
No. Give him all the money. All of it. Yes. The boy has been working here and it's worked very well. It's like your son's stinginess is beginning to affect you. Huh?
No, I am not stingy, Your Highness. Just that the money is too much. I'm not stingy, you know that.
Hey.
What is this? Why are you running like that?
Hey! Wonders!
shall never end. Yes, your mother.
She's in the house. Any problem?
Now I know what Unwizu wanted to tell her the other day.
Mama! Mama, come on, Papa is back.
What is it?
My dear, sometimes it is better for somebody to listen very well before the person talks.
How do you mean?
I saw Dikeh on my way from Unwizu, and he told me what Unwizu wanted to tell you the other day. It wasn't that she made the king ill.
Then what did she do?
She was pregnant for the king years back.
What? She was pregnant for the king some years back.
Hey, whoa! What are you saying?
She heard the king is ill and she became worried that the king may die. So she felt she should bring her daughter to the king. As you and I are talking now, herself and the daughter are in the palace, according to Nollywood.
Yes. Nani? Now.
That's it.
Yeah! Wizu. Oh my God. But the way she sounded, I was so afraid.
That was because the king has changed her life. He has settled her.
Now. Yes. Yeah!
Here! I hope there's some food for me to eat in the house.
Okay, please. Should I come on? My daughter, you don't know how happy I am. My joy is now complete. Hey!
Mama, I'm speechless. 3 million naira. Hey! My God.
3 million.
Thank you very much, oh. At least, I will stop suffering to make money. I have suffered in my life.
How are you suffering? Ego, I sent you to school. You are working. How is it suffering?
Mama, yes, you sent me to school. But I suffer so much to make money. Mama, you will not understand. I don't need to start saying it. But one thing that still baffles me is this princess thing.
Here, call your princess. So, Ego Beke is now a princess.
I'm a princess. Hey!
It's okay. I can't believe this. You have to go to the bank, withdraw the money, and put it in your account.
No, Mama. I am going right away to the bank. I will withdraw the money and put it in your own account because the money belongs to you. Do you understand? But I am not going back to the palace today. I have not acclimatized with the place, so I don't know how it's going to be with those people. I'm a princess. Then later I will think about the whole princess thing because I'm not seeing myself. Let me go to the bank. Let me go and chase. I'll go to the bank.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. My suffering has ended.
In all honesty, sis, I am so happy to have someone like you. I mean, all my life I have been praying for a sister.
Same here, darling. But you know what? This world is a small place. To think that I met your brother in the big city. And guess what?
What?
I almost fell in love with him. Honestly.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Then it means the bloodline brought both of you together.
Yes, but he seemed not to be a woman type. Because I made everything possible for us to get there. But because he's not a woman type, we were not able to. I think that's the issue.
Are you serious? Yes. Well, you know it's a taboo. So by now, if you guys have done anything, both of you would have been in one of those shrines for cancer.
My sister, they tell you. And by the time he returns and finds out that I am his sister, he will be shocked.
Well, from what you just told me, I hope both of you relate well. And I hope your presence makes him change his shrewd way.
He doesn't have a choice. I mean, he has to. Because I am a lively babe and I love to make things happen. What are we not talking about?
Sis.
Hold on, we need to take a selfie for the ground.
I'm ready, see my love you to be around.
My dear, you know easy. After waka waka, I can't be princess. My sister called a slave. Yeah. Let's lay together. Hi, Snapchat. Hello. I'm here with my princesses.
I'm really very sorry. I didn't know that was what you wanted to tell me.
No, it's okay. At least it will make you to be a good listener. Not when you hear something, you start reacting. No. Ned, tell me, if I had aborted my child then, who knows how my life would have become now?
You did the best. You did very well for not aborting that pregnancy. And I'm also happy for your daughter.
I'm the most happiest person.
Hey!
Igwe gave me 3 million naira.
It is a lie.
Hold it there. With promises of sending foodstuffs to me monthly.
Hey!
Chalu, Nadi. I now have a handset too. Handset. Look at me now. See my wig. Eh?
Hey!
Nadi, I now have handset. Hello?
So you don't need to come to my place again. You just call and I will come.
One hand.
I also want to beg you. Again, I'm still begging you. But you know those things you say Igwe gave to you. I hope some of them will be flying over to that end. My friend?
Why? Without you, I wouldn't have known that he's sick. So anything I eat here, I will throw your own.
Take another 5. Bam! Hey!
My life has changed. My life has changed. My life.
Just to save their money. Money is for life. Life is not for money.
Babes, can you drive?
Very well.
Can drive.
Very well.
Oh,
very, very well.
Well done, my princess. The prince is back.
What is it? Why are you behaving as if he's going to meet you?
He's going to see you.
He would be surprised, right?
Of course, yes.
Then it's fine.
Hi. Hello. Who do we have here?
Hello.
Surprised to see me.
Ego.
Welcome, bros.
Is this you? You didn't even tell me you were coming. What? Why are you dressed like this?
Didn't you hear her call you bros?
Bros?
My bros now. Yes.
How?
That is because you are my brother and I belong here. I am your sister and that is the latest news.
That's the story. That's how it happened.
Father, this is strange. Very, very strange. But that does not warrant them turning off that generator. And they were even drinking wine.
What's wrong with you, Feza? What is wrong with you? Is that how to show happiness over your father's recovered daughter?
I show happiness. I am excited and I'm happy. But not as stupid as that. I know the princess. And I know that's what she's always wanted. But I won't let that happen. That generator has to be turned off and they'll stop drinking that wine.
Please talk to him. Call him back. So that girl doesn't feel as if we didn't welcome her well. And people begin to point fingers at me.
Don't worry. I know what to do.
What nonsense! So someone cannot stay in her house and be happy because one conservative and shrewd prince came back from London.
I understand how you feel. Just calm down, okay?
What is wrong with them?
If you like, shout to high heavens. Nobody turns on that generator until I give permission for that.
Why?
Why?
Why are you like this? Is this how you want to welcome me home? Is it?
Okay, sorry about that. Welcome home. But things are done accordingly around here. Okay? We don't just squander things, we don't misuse things because... Now look at that. Both of you want to consume one bottle of wine? Just between yourselves? Really? Give it to me. What? Give it to me!
So what are you doing with it now you've taken it?
Right into the fridge, I'm taking it. Echi, go get tomorrow. And then you go and open another bottle, isn't it? You must learn to do things the way we do it around here. We don't just eat because there is food. And you lean nearby because knife for me. You eat according to time. When it's time for lunch, you take your portion. When it's time for dinner, you take your portion. And you hold yourself. And you hold your throat. Hey! Hey, come. Hey, you come. Good. Go and turn off that generator and don't turn it on until I tell you to do so. Good. Look at them.
Just imagine. Can you imagine what a grown-up man is doing?
It's crazy.
This is so embarrassing. This is so embarrassing. I am sorry.
No, just calm down. Calm down, my sister. You know, he doesn't know me very well.
And I sure say he too knows Sabi me well. Me, I the craze. If I explode, he will take off. I just calm down because they do princess. May calm down, Sean. Maybe they do.
Silver and gold, oh. Life is better. Enjoy your life, oh. Life is more precious than silver and gold, oh.
Because you don't care about anybody but yourself. What kind of a man are you? What kind of a son, a father, a king you will make?
Mom, I will make a fine and good king and husband.
Keep the same.
I've told you to keep things low. I know what I'm doing.
Doctor.
You don't need to worry.